Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the scope so the Chronicle actually gets finished. Decide the time's span, place, and central subjects now. Once done, gather 3-5 primary sources and mark reliable dates and names because accuracy drives trust. Make sure to choose your narrative voice, strict chronology or thematic, so every entry follows the rule you set. This prevents drift. Now create a simple index template and start filling the first dated entry immediately, using short, verifiable facts. You now build the middle, where clarity and linkage matter most. Start each entry with a date and a concise fact, then expand 1 to 3 sentences that explain why it matters. Once you add context, link entries with cross-references and brief cause-effect phrases so readers can follow threads. Make sure to insert 1 clear citation or provenance note per entry. This preserves reliability. Keep tense and annotation consistent throughout, and periodically summarize blocks to prevent the narrative from fragmenting. You finish by verifying details, then polishing transitions and the index so readers can navigate easily. Once done, write a short introduction that states scope and methodology, and create a chronology table for quick reference. Make sure to standardize citations and run one last factual check. If problems arise, conflicting dates, missing sources, flag them clearly as probable or contested, and note what remains unresolved. This transparency restores credibility and gives you a clear list for future research.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.